Good morning everyone. Today, we are looking at a particular Sistem Air reference, the Sa.ma.dent dental practice. Let's see how our system has gone about solving various problems related to their business. Here we are with Giuseppe, owner of the Sa.ma.dent dental practice. What was it that led you to choose this suction system in the first place?
The respect for myself. We produce dust primarily, and then we make the products we have to produce. Trying to breathe less dust as possible through this method of extraction is a sign of respect towards those who work with us and for us.
Are there advantages over traditional ways of vacuuming these types of dust?
Yes, having a system outside the place where you work is certainly an advantage.
Would you do it again?
Yes, absolutely.
You produce, as you rightly said, a lot of fine dust here. Does the suction of so much dust create problems for the machines?
Maintenance is needed, but with the implementation of Turbix, the separator only needs to be emptied, while the power plant filter remains much cleaner.
All right, Mr. Giuseppe, thank you for your availability and have a great day. We find ourselves in front of the heart of the system, considering the number of working hours that are carried out. The choice of a professional power station, in this case with single-phase power supply, is very important. This is a Revo Block Professional in the 500 version. Also indispensable for retaining this kind of fine dust is the Turbix, our cyclonic dust separator. Let's take a closer look at the container. This is where all the impalpable dust stops. This would go on the filter and occlude it significantly. Instead, in this case, it stops inside the Turbix. How is the system integrated into the workplace? Here there is a power button, and once the suction is started, you can go to work directly on the intake point in an easy way.